Hello and welcome to another update video about Bloktopia, one of my favorite metaverse cryptocurrency projects. To be honest, I'm quite heavily invested in that. It's actually my, I think now third largest cryptocurrency position. And it's probably also one of them with the highest risk for me. But you can see that we are growing. We are bullish here on this channel about Bloktopia. And obviously down here we marked the low at around 6 cents, so it didn't go lower than that. What we can see on the chart here is that the price since then has come up, made a higher low here, and now we are moving up, moved through some key resistance levels with the first one here. Well, first of all being here the 0.786 fib level at 7.5 cents. So as we went above that, I pointed out this is a key support level, and it proved to be support also here yesterday again. We didn't break below the 7.5 cent level. Since then, we've moved further up, crossed above the 20-day moving average, which is a key resistance level as well. That will now act as support, and we have broken through the golden pocket again. So the 0.618 fib level at 9.7 cents. We're now above that. We have not, or just made actually the 10 cents. So I just was going to say that the 9.7 cents, that will now act as support, and we've actually come all the way to the 0.5 level. We've nearly been there today here at 11.2 cents. So we've come all the way up to 11 cents today and found some resistance there, basically because that is one of the fib levels. You know, you can expect some resistance there. That's why we've got it on the chart. Then you have come down here. And I think that's one of the levels that I mentioned in the previous video as well, just to make you aware of the next resistance levels as we move higher. Now we have bounced off that, but it looks like we are currently successfully retesting that support here at 9.7 cents. Also, what you need to see is that we are here developing something, or this actually was a inverse head and shoulder. So you have the left shoulder here, the head, and the right shoulder, indicating that above this neckline, if you break that, and the neckline in my view is the golden pocket, that from here we can actually move higher. And if we want to define a price target for that, and again, take these with a pinch of salt, but what you normally do, you take the head of the height of that head and you add it to the breakout point, and that could then take us actually through the 0.5 fib level here at 11.2 cents and also to the 0.382 fib level at 12.8 cents. So yeah, we could get to around 13 cents quite quickly then, and that would also work well with this previous high here. This was around the same level at 13 cents. So yeah, looking good now for Bloktopia. Seems to be holding this fib level now and seems to have successfully retested it. I expect further moves to the upside, at least to 11.2 cents, but overall, you know, I expect us to move further up from here, especially now with while Bitcoin and so on is down. All of these metaverse cryptos are doing quite well. I think, as I said in my Mana video on the day that crash happened, I think when Bitcoin recovers slightly, these gaming cryptos will outperform other cryptos, and they do, you know, they currently do. So Sandbox really doing really well, Mana doing well, and here Bloktopia now finally also doing quite well compared to a lot of the other cryptos. Now, if people think, you know, again, is it too late to go in? I personally don't think so. Look at where we already were. Bear in mind, at the point here, there were less tokens available on the market. Since then, we've dropped, but they are developing the marketplace. They make it more attractive for people to stake and lock away their tokens. And I think it will be a really good project, really interesting. But obviously, the higher it climbs, the less attractive it potentially gets to go in. And yeah, I think it's still not too late. I think I would personally expect further price increases from here, but please always do your own research. And it's looking not too bad, as I said. And also what you can now identify here is, first of all, inverse head and shoulders, but this could also become, going forward here, an ascending triangle. So, you know, you've got the horizontal levels there, and we move up. And so you've got a trend line here that you can adhere to now. If we come down once more, you know, and you get support here somewhere, you could possibly, if we find support here on that trend line, that would be a confirmed trend line then. So we'll definitely keep an eye on that. Looking good so far. Continue to remain bullish here on Bloktopia, and I expect the price to go up further. Hope you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.